Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TVIX. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So all this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then just makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis yesterday. I want to get things updated here. Kind of talk about a couple key levels that I don't want to come across as like secret discoveries on my part. That's, couldn't be further from the truth. But anybody that really uses charts and knows how to look at them, these are the levels they would be looking at because they are significant areas. So the first adjustment that I'm going to do is actually just move this green line down to right here around 660. That's kind of the overall level of support, but there's definitely a near-term level of support that, once again, by no means am I saying this is some sort of like revolutionary discovery on my part, but the one level that a lot of people are going to be paying attention to going into tomorrow is right here at essentially $6.95. That is where that gap close location is. And in the event the price cannot hold up above $6.95, which so far so good. Now it hasn't hit it exactly, but I think we can all agree this right here is well within the range of $6.95. But in the event the price cannot hold above there, so it cracks below there, at that point in time, am I saying it's going to happen within 10 minutes? I'm not saying that, but it would not be unreasonable at all to think that the price, drifts its way downwards down to at least back test these previous lows down here at $6.60. But the main point here that I'm trying to get across is nobody should even be talking about, the price potentially going to $6.60 as long as the price is up above $6.95, because $6.95 is that first, very, stubborn area of support that the bears would have to press down below. So again, yeah, 660 is relevant, kind of. It just becomes a lot more relevant, though, in the event the bulls actually are able to the bears are actually able to press down to the downside of 695. So if you haven't connected those dots, 695, 660, two key levels of resistance going into tomorrow. As far as levels of resistance are, I think I said resistance, two key levels of support tomorrow, 695 and 660. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, still all about this pink line here. Yeah, today the price broke up above it, but that was kind of just a tease. Several times got above it, but could never actually maintain and stay up above it. So that remains public enemy number one from a resistance standpoint. But in my eye, more the interesting dynamic is whether or not the price is going to be able to hold above 695. And again, if it doesn't, then yeah, I could see a potential bounce play down around 660. So let's see how this one closes out the week tomorrow. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.